Hainanese chicken rice is a beloved dish and popular in Southeast Asia, especially in Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Traditionally, it features tender poached whole chicken served with fragrant rice cooked in chicken broth, accompanied by dipping sauces. We are making a simplified version of this dish, and it will still provide a delicious, comforting, and satisfying meal for the family. Before we start, subscribe below so you don't miss an update. And to my subscribers, thank you for your support. Now let's get started. First, we want to wash 1 rice cooker cup of jasmine rice. We want to wash until the water is almost clear and then drain properly. Wash, peel, and slice the ginger. We need 25 grams for the rice. Prepare and chop the garlic. We need 1/2 teaspoon garlic. Heat up 1/2 tablespoon chicken oil. I will make a video on how to make this in the future, and then add 1/2 teaspoon garlic. Saute briefly and add 25 grams already peeled and sliced ginger that we have prepared earlier. Saute them briefly and put the already washed and drained rice. Keep in mind, the longer you saute the rice, the darker the color is going to be. The rice is done and you can pour to the rice cooker and add 1/2 teaspoon salt. I have pandan leaves or screw pine leaves. Sometimes you can find them fresh in the Asian supermarket, but most of the time it is in the frozen section. You need to wash them and add to the rice to add more flavor and additional fragrance. It is a very subtle fragrance, so you can skip it if you cannot find it. I put about 5 already cut up leaves. You can put more if you like. Pour some chicken broth to the pan that you used to fry the rice. If you are short on time, I would suggest using canned chicken broth so you can cook the chicken while the rice is cooking. Otherwise, you can use the broth that you boil the chicken in. Pour the broth to the level where it should be in your rice cooker, then cook your rice. If you don't have chicken fat, you can use sesame seed oil to replace it. The rice will be darker in color but still tasty. Add 2 tablespoons sesame seed oil in a hot pan, and then add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. We are using more garlic on the sesame seed oil because when I'm making the chicken fat, I already add a lot of garlic. The sesame seed oil doesn't have any except for this 1 tablespoon. Repeat the same steps like cooking the rice with chicken fat. Cook the rice with chicken broth according to rice cooker measurement. I sprinkle my chicken breast with sea salt and rub it. It's like exfoliating your face so the chicken looks nicer and cleaner. You don't have to do it if you don't want it. Pour some chicken broth in the pan and let it boil. Then put the chicken breast and lower the heat. You want it to boil low and slow for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your chicken. You see this small bubble? It's perfect for cooking the chicken. When the chicken is done, put in an ice bath to stop the cooking. Then pat it dry and slice it. I will show you how to make 4 different sauces for this chicken in the next episode, but in a pinch, a good sauce is 3 tablespoons soy sauce with 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil and 1 to 2 teaspoons chili paste depending on how hot you like the sauce. Also, see the second chicken rice is darker than the first one. This is the one that is cooked with sesame seed oil. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.